To delete records in Airtable, you have three main methods, depending on whether you're removing one record, multiple records, or recovering something from trash. I'll walk you through each one on the web interface. Start with deleting a single record. Open your Airtable base and find the record you want to delete by clicking anywhere on that row in your table view. Right-click on the record and select Delete Record from the context menu. Airtable will ask you to confirm the deletion. Confirm your choice. The record disappears from the table immediately, but it stays in your workspace trash for 7 days in case you need to recover it. For deleting multiple records at once, open your base and locate the checkboxes on the left side of each record row. Click the checkboxes next to all the records you want to delete. You can also click and drag your cursor over multiple records to select them, or hold down the Shift key and click each record individually. Once you've selected all the records you need, right-click on the selected group and choose Delete All Selected Records from the menu. Airtable will prompt you to confirm the deletion. Double-check that you've selected the correct records and confirm. All selected records will disappear from your table right away and will be available in your trash for 7 days. If you deleted something by mistake within the past 7 days, you can restore it. In the top right corner, next to the Share button, click the base history icon, click Trash from the options that appear. You'll see everything deleted from this base in the past 7 days: tables, views, fields, extensions, and records. Find the records you need and click the Restore button next to them. The records will reappear in their original table. If you want to hide records without actually deleting them, you can use filters to create an archive view instead. Keep in mind that archiving doesn't free up your record limits the way deletion does. Deleted records remain on Airtable's servers during a retention period, so you can recover them through trash within 7 days.